Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kanina. Just decided to drop by to let you guys know that all is well, all is groovy. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are reaching your goals and doing everything that you need to do in life. So my we're getting ready to move now. So I have been doing a lot from the house on the inside. So I've been doing a lot of work on the inside of my home. Like as far as, packing and stuff like that since we're moving. So I just got through eating some hot chips, man. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. Because also just got through doing my workout and I was like, damn it, I got hungry and I saw them damn chips. It was like, fuck it. So like I wanted to come to you guys to tell you about improving mental well-being, so you can imagine a life where your mind feels calm, centered, and resilient in the face of challenges. A life where you have the tools to manage stress, nurture positive emotions, and cultivate a strong well-being. You know, this life is within your reach. So I just wanted to share the importance of managing and improving your mental well-being. Like, you know, I'll probably give you some practical strategies for nurturing and stuff like that. But, um, I mean, in today's fast-paced, demanding world, mental well-being often takes a back seat. So we prioritize our physical health, but we neglect our mental health. So it's like we have to shift that and recognize that our mental well being is not a luxury, but it's a necessity. It's the way that we can unlock the power within ourselves to feel more balanced and fulfilled in life. Then we need to understand mental well being and understand that it encompasses more than the absence of mental illness. It is a state of optimal functioning where we feel emotionally balanced, resilient, and able to cope with the ups and downs of life. When, you know, managing and improving your mental well-being is crucial to your life. You want to be able to understand how you can manage it effectively. When life presents us with numerous challenges and, you know, we know that maintaining good health allows us to navigate them with greater ease. When we prioritize well being, we cultivate emotional resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, cope with stress, and maintain positive outlook. It can be difficult at times, but we have to be the ones to realize that only we can change our mental health. Our mental state influences how we interact with others and build meaningful connections. When we prioritize our mental well-being, we enhance our ability to communicate effectively, empathize with others, and maintain healthy relationships. So it plays hand in hand. Sometimes I don't know if you guys can. I hope you guys can hear me because I am speaking kind of low. But I'm using as you can see, I don't have my microphone or anything blocking me. So, um, I'm probably gonna like bring that in later, but we'll see. But it helps to be able to manage your mental state. You once you're able to control your mental, your mind, then you can control your situation. Your mind is really the only thing that you can control outside of, what you physically have control of, but certain things you can't. When you can't control things, your mind is the only thing that you can't control. So you have to think, with the mindset of positivity. You have to think, okay, it's good. It might be a setback now, but it'll be all right soon. And you have to keep that thought because we don't go through things all the time. Like if you're going through things over and over and over all the time, then you need to reevaluate your situation and reevaluate what you are attracting in your life because you have the power to change your mindset. You have the power to literally think and speak and be because you are an infinite being housed within a vessel. The only thing limiting us is this vessel. So, you know, but you make sure you want to also practice self care. Prioritize nurturing your mental health. Prioritize practicing mindfulness and meditation, spending more time in nature, grounding yourself. Like I was telling my husband the other day, and I was like, when we do um, get to our destination where we're moving to, I want to have a space like a space where there's no grass, just earth, and we can, move the earth around, like maybe with like one of those little rake thingies or whatever, move the earth around and plant our feet in the earth like the trees plant their roots. So I want to see how will that like work as far as my physical being. Like, will I be able to connect with the earth and all things within if I plant my feet? Like, when I plant my feet in the grass and I look up at the sun and I gaze at the sun, it's a feeling that I get, that's kind of like, okay, or say, if you go and you talk to a tree or you touch a tree and you might feel something, within that. But it's like, is it really that? Because there is this grass really real, or was this grass like picked somewhere and just put here? Or, I mean, So I want a space where there's nothing but earth, dirt, and I can move the dirt around each time I want to ground myself into the dirt, plant my feet into the soil. But anyway, like I was saying, also you want to surround yourself with supportive and positive people. We talk about that a lot on this channel because you don't want to be around negative people when you are trying to manifest greatness, when you are trying to focus on your well-being and make sure that your mental health is of, sane, that you're sane, So you don't want to like be around negative people. So cultivate positive relationships. You surround yourself with supportive and positive individuals who will lift your spirits, not bring you down or drag you down, and make your physical health a priority as well. Regularly exercise, eat a balanced diet, you know, and prioritize sleep. I try to get enough sleep, okay? Because, because I mean, I mean, why not? I get a lot of downloads when I'm asleep. I get a lot of ideas when I'm asleep. So when I do sleep, I keep something by my bed that I can write on if when I wake up in the middle of the night, because I normally wake up like between 3 and 4. It's always around like 3:30 ish, 3:30 ish, 3:40 ish. I'm waking up, so I try to like keep that at. And I'm looking at this camera, y'all, because he scared the crap out of me. There is nobody out there, but I did just hear something. Okay, so y'all, let me go ahead and wrap this up because somebody is out here and he hears them. DJ, no, 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 nobody's out there. I don't see anyone. All right, so y'all, you know, manage stress, practice mindfulness, professional support, seek that, do that. Practice mindfulness, practice being in the now so that you can continue to make sure your mental health is on point, make sure your mental health is improving versus, So, it's your girl. It's your girl, Kanina, and thanks for watching.